Hello and welcome to Behind the Boot. This is Boots and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. I'm here at CNE and in our last show we had this incredible group of dancers show up doing the Yellow Boot song, and I've been wanting to teach it, so that's what we're going to do today. So if you want to dance along, jump up on your feet and we are going to learn the dance. Are you ready? Here are the dancers. Da-da!
Yeah!
It's a family affair. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
We're dancing in the boot, in the big yellow boot. So come and dance along to the big song. We're dancing in the boot, in the big yellow